Hello, students! Welcome to Lab Day here in our topic on vertebrates. And today I'd like you to do two activities. Of course, they will be video-based instead of in person, but there are two activities I'd like you to work on. So in your book, if you open your book to page 138, the first activity you're going to be working on is regarding the swim bladder of bony fish. And the question of this activity states, how do swim bladders enable bony fish to rise and fall in the water? And what I'd like you to do is think about it. Think about the lesson a couple days ago when we learned about fish, and I talked a little bit about the swim bladders and mentioned the example of the submarine. I want you to think about that before you write your hypothesis. After you've written your hypothesis, what I'd like you to do is then go back to Google Classroom, and you're going to watch the next video, which is a video that explains a device that we normally would create in the lab called a Cartesian diver, and you'll hear that term used. But I want you to think about the Cartesian diver as an illustration of a swim bladder because it works the same way. So for your first activity, you're going to write your hypothesis about the swim bladder and how do you think it enables the fish to rise and fall in the water. Then you're going to watch the swim bladder videos that I've provided for you in Google Classroom. Then there's a second part. Sorry about that. On the next page in your book is an activity about feathers. And the question is asking you, how do down and contour feathers differ from one another? Again, normally we'd be examining them together in the lab and using magnification to do so, but this will be video-based, so I have another couple videos for you to watch regarding the down and contour feathers. Before you watch the videos, however, I want you to write a hypothesis based on the limited exposure I gave you earlier in the week with the lesson. So, two activities to do today. You're going to write the hypotheses to both of them before you go to the videos. Then I'd like you to watch the videos, make some observations in your book, and write your conclusion. Any time remaining after you finish both activities should be spent studying for tomorrow's quiz. So get started right away. You have plenty of time here throughout this period to finish both of the activities. Have fun, and until tomorrow, bye-bye.